Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Elevated Pedestal is probably one of the most underrated home appliances that can significantly improve your laundry experience. It not only elevates your washer and dryer to a more comfortable height, reducing strain on your back, but also provides valuable storage space for your laundry essentials. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of elevated pedestals, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Miles Kimball Slim Rolling Storage Cart. This slim storage cart is designed to maximize space. It's perfect for kitchens, laundry rooms, or any area where you need extra storage. The cart features 3 shelves, each capable of holding up to 6.5 pounds. This allows you to store a variety of items, keeping everything organized and within reach. Use it for laundry supplies, spices, or even bathroom essentials. Its slim design allows it to fit in various spaces, making it a versatile storage solution. Assembly is quick and easy with its snap-together design. You'll have it ready to use in no time. The rolling casters make it easy to move the cart wherever you need it. It smoothly rolls out from tight spaces, providing convenient access to your items. It measures 21 inches long, 5 inches wide, and 28.14 inches high. What we like? This slim storage cart is perfect for maximizing space. It's easy to assemble and the rolling casters make it super convenient. If you have a small laundry room or limited storage, this is a great solution to keep your essentials organized and within reach. What people say. It works perfectly for the narrow empty space next to the washing machine. The parts just press together and hold well. It's tall and slides easily. Number 4. Magic Chef MCSLS 12W Laundry Stand. This laundry stand is designed to create an opening for your washer and a shelf for your dryer. It's a convenient solution for maximizing space in your laundry area. This stand is recommended for use with compact dryers, such as the MCSDRY1S and MCSDRY15W. It's the perfect companion to those models, providing a stable and organized setup. The stand is constructed from durable white powder-coated metal, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of daily use. It's built to last and provide reliable support for your appliances. The stand features a plastic clip assembly, making it incredibly easy to set up. You can have it ready to use in no time, without the need for complicated tools or instructions. For added security, the stand includes an anti-tip bracket and adjustable leveling feet. These features help to keep the stand stable and prevent it from tipping over, providing peace of mind. What we like? This laundry stand is designed to create an opening for your washer and a shelf for your dryer. It's easy to set up with plastic clip assembly and includes an anti-tip bracket. If you are looking for a simple and secure way to elevate your appliances, this stand is a great choice. What people say. The stand is sturdy and holds my washer and dryer securely, and the opening design makes it easy to access the washer door. I have the biggest size portable washer you can buy, and it fits under the bottom with 0 issues, while also being on a dolly. The dryer actually bolts to the top of the stand so that it doesn't move around. Number 3. Samsung We402NW 27-inch Washer Dryer Pedestal. Tired of bending over to load and unload your laundry? This pedestal lifts your washer or dryer, making it easier on your back. It provides a more comfortable experience. Keep your laundry essentials organized and within reach. This built-in storage drawer provides a convenient space for detergents and fabric softeners. It helps you keep your laundry area neat and tidy. Maximize your space and storage with 2 pedestals. Place them side by side to elevate your appliances and add extra storage. It's a practical and stylish solution. This 27-inch pedestal is designed for Samsung 27-inch front-load washers and dryers. Ensure a perfect fit for your appliances. It's built to work seamlessly with your existing setup. The pedestal measures 27 inches wide, 14.2 inches high, and 28.1 inches deep, weighing 36.6 pounds. Make sure it fits your space. It's a sturdy and well-designed addition to your laundry room. Samsung has been a trusted name in home appliances for years. You can rely on the quality and durability of this product. It's a smart investment for your home. What we like? This pedestal lifts your washer or dryer for easier loading and unloading. It also has a convenient built-in storage drawer to keep your laundry essentials organized. If you like the convenience of extra storage in a more ergonomic design, this is the perfect addition to your laundry setup. What people say. Matched perfectly. Extremely easy to install and so much space. Super easy open close on the nice, quiet tracks. Sturdy and stable. Definitely recommend. Much nicer not having to bend down to do the laundry, and there is an additional bonus of having a storage drawer beneath each appliance. The dryer fit perfectly on top. Number 2. BenchPro 30x54 Real Wood Washer Dryer Countertop. This countertop from BenchPro is designed to fit over your washer and dryer. It provides a convenient surface for folding clothes and organizing laundry supplies. It's a great addition to any laundry room. Made from raw, solid wood butcher block, this countertop is built to last. The wood is sanded smooth, providing a beautiful and functional workspace. It's a durable and stylish choice. With dimensions of 30 inches deep and 54 inches wide, it offers ample space. This size is perfect for most standard washer and dryer setups. It's designed to fit your needs. The built-in edge rails prevent items from sliding off the back. This feature helps keep your laundry area tidy and organized. It adds extra functionality. This countertop allows you to organize your laundry essentials. You can keep detergents, fabric softeners, and other items within easy reach. It helps you stay organized. Please note that the washer and dryer are not included with this product. This listing is for the countertop only. It's a great way to upgrade your laundry space. What we like. This countertop is made of real wood butcher block with edge rails, providing a stylish and functional workspace. The edge rails prevent items from falling off. If you are looking to add a touch of elegance and organization to your laundry area, this countertop is a great option. What people say. It weighs a ton, so it won't be easily moved around. It's very sturdy and works great for any of your countertop needs. It is solidly built and serves as a great base for folding. I especially like the edges that prevent things from falling off behind the washer-dryer. Number 1. GDLF 29 Universal Washer and Dryer Pedestal. Tired of bending over to do laundry? This pedestal is designed to fit most washers and dryers, making laundry day easier. It provides a convenient solution for your laundry needs. This pedestal raises your machines to a comfortable height, reducing strain. It makes loading and unloading your laundry a breeze. The built-in laundry basket holder frees up your hands. It allows you to easily retrieve your clothes. The integrated drainage system protects your floors. The rust-proof metal ensures durability. With a heavy-duty steel frame, it can hold up to 700 pounds. Anti-vibration pads ensure quiet operation. Please note that due to the height, it is not recommended for top-loading machines. Make sure this is the right fit for your setup. What we like. This laundry pedestal offers universal compatibility and an ergonomic design to reduce back strain. It also features a built-in drainage system. If you are looking for a heavy-duty and versatile pedestal that prioritizes both convenience and safety, consider this one. What people say. The instructions were well written and the parts clearly labeled. The storage is great and I love the pull-out tray for my laundry basket. Our LG washer dryer are now at a level, for 5 feet 6 inches people, where we are not leaning over to take clothes out. The sliding shelf that supports laundry baskets hides when not used. The pedestals allow for storage of cleaning supplies. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.